Hi everyone. Today we're going to be looking at how we've used Nimble to build this EV deal finder. As you know, the price of gas right now is hitting all-time highs, and it has never been a better time to own an electric vehicle and get in on those savings. But when you want to buy your first EV, or perhaps not your first EV, where do you begin? So what we've done is we've combined Nimble's web search agent capabilities through Claude to build this dashboard. We've collected data on over 800 different EVs that are currently on the market, listed across eBay and Carvana, and we've scored each model across multiple metrics, including price, mileage, year, condition, and safety. Here we can see the scoring across various types of EVs and brands, price versus mileage, the number of listings we have per year. There's a big swell in 2023. Those are the cars that are most available on the market right now. So we can see all kinds of information. We can see the full data set, and we can also see the top deals. What specific cars are the best bang for buck? We have a link to buy them on eBay right away. We can see the price versus the mileage. These are really, really helpful and a great demonstration of the power of combining the intelligence of modern AI assistants together with Nimble's capabilities. You can also filter by price, mileage, year, and so on and so forth. So, how did we do this? Move over here to Claude. Basically, I've written a recap of how I've done this. This whole process took just a couple of hours. We did it today, April 30th, and our stack includes Python, the Nimble CLI and Batch API, Nimble's agent builder skills, Streamlit, Plotly, and of course Claude. Our first step was to build up our data set. So we decided to go with eBay Motors and Carvana for this one. For eBay, Nimble had an existing agent that we could use. And basically our process was to run a search first in order to collect the IDs of relevant cars, and then to loop over those individual IDs and run a batch request that would get us all of the data about each one of those cars in a single request. It only took a couple of minutes, and then we had our eBay listings. For Carvana, we did not have a pre-built Nimble agent, and so we created one from scratch using the Nimble Agent Builder. We had our schema already designed, which we fed into Nimble's Agent Builder skill, and then it generated an agent for us in real time and verified it using 50 test runs before we actually ran it on Carvana directly for our purposes. We got over 700 listings on Carvana. And now, after having run on both eBay and Carvana, we had all of the information we needed to keep moving forward. We created a quick scoring engine that weighed the different factors and created a unified score that allowed us to compare cars across the years and conditions and mileage. We can see here exactly how Claude determined that weighed average. And then I asked Claude to create a dashboard for us. It used Streamlit and Plotly to create the dashboard that we saw earlier. And it also created the individual filters as well as the top deals and national average gas price indicators, so it can remind us of why we're doing this in the first place. And at a glance, we can see that we've got over 818 different listings. We've collected data from eBay Motors and Carvana. We've got multiple models here. We've created one agent from scratch, and we've got 6 different filters. The data refresh time is down to 2 minutes, so we can actually update this. Now that it exists and we have agents for both eBay and Carvana, we can update the data at any point. And if we go back to our dashboard, we can see that we have all of the information that we need in order to create a really, really good decision on which EV we should buy next. I hope you enjoy this. We're going to upload all of the data and the report that I just showed onto GitHub so you can load it for yourself and play around with it. And good luck creating amazing data apps.